Hi, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Frank Billingsley. More rain out there. Bryan College Station looks like you'll see a few showers. I'm concerned about Brenham. You can see the lightning has withered away in a lot of spots, but it's still fairly strong as it moves right there into Washington County. So you folks in Brenham, take caution as this moves right through the Columbus area. A couple of lightning strikes, but generally the whole area is beginning to wind down. Thank goodness. Look at all of the state. Everything you see in this shaded green, that's a flash flood watch already in effect through Thursday morning. As more rain is on the way. We've had a number of flood warnings already today in some of these red boxes that you see here. 2 to 4 inches of rain was common, 5 to 7 isolated in the reds here. That's the 5 to 7, and where you see yellow, that was an easy 3 to 4. The green was an easy 2 to 3. So pockets of heavy rain, and that's what we're going to continue to see, and that's going to exacerbate problems. So we're already seeing rains right over the Colorado River. It's supposed to crest tomorrow in the Wharton area, but with more rain being added to it, it may not do that. So it's going to be major, the Brazos, through Thursday in Rosenberg, as well as through Sunday in Rocheron. So the Brazos is still up, and then up to the north, there's some good news for now, but more rain obviously is going to add to the problems. So the San Jacinto River, Kingwood, and Humble below flood stage tomorrow, and at Sheldon below tomorrow as well. The Trinity is going to continue to be above, right there at Liberty, above flood stage, at least through Sunday. And then out to the west, these areas, especially this in Columbus, below flood stage. More rain's been falling on the Colorado River today, and then we've got just minor flooding, and it's continuing to fall Cypress Creek and the Brazos at Hempstead and the Brazos down towards Sealy as well. So there's been some improvement. The problem is, look at this big low. Every time we see these big monster lows coming out of the southwest, pulling all the Pacific moisture, meeting all of that Gulf moisture, and slowly trekking across the state, that's when we get into these problems of heavy rain. So you can see the lows back out here south of Arizona with all this rain being pulled into the state ahead of it. So as it slowly moves across, that's exactly what we're going to see more of, is this rain developing. How much of it winds up in southeast Texas, we'll have to see, but it may not much matter because anything that's north of I-10 to Dallas is going to hit those rivers and come our way, and we just can't handle anything. You can see from Austin all the way down to Mexico, that's forecasted at midnight Thursday, and then it just continues to march toward Houston. Some of it ends up over the Gulf, some of it ends up in southeast Texas, and then Friday we continue to see more rain being pulled in as that low will be right over us as we go into Saturday and Sunday. So how much rain is one of the big questions. Obviously, whenever we see these bullseyes, and that one right there goes from gold to purple, which means 8 to 10 inches of rain. Obviously, it's right over Austin, but it's Tuesday, and we're talking Thursday, Friday. So where this actually ends up, is it Austin, is it Dallas, is it back toward Houston? It's hard to say. It may not matter because any rain is going to be a problem, but we'll have to keep a close eye really on the whole state as far as rain is concerned. For that clump to make it all the way to Houston, just a 10% chance, 7 to 9 o'clock. But you folks in the Brenham area and even up toward College Station, watch out for some rain there. Columbus as well. And then a fairly quiet one to start out tomorrow, but it doesn't stay that way. The chance of rain is at 60% for Wednesday, 80% Thursday and Friday, 50% and 30% begins to dry out Saturday and Sunday. And then right now the models have a pretty good handle on next week being a dry week. So let's keep our fingers crossed for that. Get all of your weather, all of your flood information right here at click2houston.com/weather.